सद्याक आमी हांगा चिकालीम स्पोर्ट्स कोर्साचेर आसा आनी आमच्या फाटल्यान आमकां दिश्टी पडटा गोंयची टीम जी आसा सद्याक हांगा जायते हांगा प्रॅक्टीस करत आसा. जेन्ना आमी प्लेयरांक मेळ्ळे आनी कोचाक जेन्ना आमी गाठलो खंय तरी एक आमकां संकेत एडवान्स दिसून येता की गोंयाक खंय तरी हांगा स्क्वॉशान भितर एक मेडल तरी कन्फर्म आसा. खंय तरी एक तरेकेच्यान हांगा मॅची चालू जावपाच्यो आसा. वेगळ्यो वेगळ्यो टिमी हांगा येवपाच्यो आसा. पूण जे प्लेयर गोंयचे आसा तांचे मॉरल सगळे हाय आसा. जो कोच आसा ताणें सांगलां की सद्याक प्लेयरांनी भरपूर एफर्ट घेतिल्ले आसा. भरपूर तांच्यांनी प्रॅक्टीस सेशन्स केल्ले आसा. खंय तरी हो तांचो होम ग्रावंडूय आसा आनी हाका लागून गोंयांक खंय तरी कन्फर्म एक मेडल घेवपाची हांगा शक्यता गोंयान वास्कोच्यान तरी दिश्टी पडून येता. गोंयची टीम एकदम बरी गेम खेळटली आनी खंय तरी एक मेडल घेवन येतले अशें आमच्यान संकेत दिसता.
हम लोगों ने काफ़ी मेहनत की है इस बार, तो हम लोग पूरा एक्साइटेड है कि हम लोग काफ़ी मेहनत किया है, तो मेडल के लिए हम रेडी हैं. तो फुल कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल सकते हैं कि हम मेडल लाएंगे.
गोवा के लिए मेडल पक्का है.
थैंक यू. एसोसिएशन से हम काफ़ी खुश हैं, गोवा गवर्नमेंट और एसोसिएशन से, कि हम लोगों ने सारे बच्चे लोग जिस तरीके से मेहनत की है सब लोग खुश हैं. फुल कॉन्फिडेंस.
This is our home ground, so I'd say yes, we're glad that we have such a great facility here. And historically, it's been in Vasco, squash has been restricted to Navy courts, which are accessed only by members, and there was one court here, which was again not that good. But the fact that we have 4 courts here, 2 that is like, I'd say, national standard or even like an international standard. I'd say it's a really good thing to be part of.
How long has it been that you've been practicing?
So I started training again around. So I've regularly played for the past year or so, and we recently ramped up training in the past few months. So that's how the training has been. I'd say I've been playing squash for around. I started playing around a decade ago, and in between it was a bit slow to start. But once we get in flow, it's nice and we feel confident again about our games. We're pretty confident. We've been working on our fitness, getting back in top form, and hopefully things work our way.
We're all set. We're looking forward to all the matches. We're looking forward to all the matches and competing with players from all the other states. Yeah.
How are you? How do you look at the arrangements? All okay from the government side, the coach?
Yeah, we're very happy. Everything has been taken care of since the very beginning, so we're happy about it.
Looking forward to a medal
Yes.
for Goa.
Yes, definitely rooting for Goa, playing for Goa, and we worked hard for so many weeks, and I'm sure the results are bound to come. Everything has been going on with such plan, and everything's been taken care of from the very beginning. So I'm really happy about it.
All
Everyone else is too.
All set for the matches?
Yes, very confident, all set.
वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर विक्रम नायक.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.